What are you doing, Kate? Use a rag. I had a bunch of those. Drinking your Pepsi. What's that? What's that?
Is it fixed yet, Justin?
Huh?
Is it fixed? Hey, is it fixed yet?
I've been looking for this thing for months.
What?
The thing to flare pipes with. I got the rest of it, but I didn't have that part.
You didn't get your hot dog?
No, I gotta go get him another drink.
Why?
Drink out of it. Should have waited until later, I guess.
Yeah. Work with a twist in that thing. You don't start it like that, Justin.
Oh, okay.
You can't twist the thing on top.
Oh, I see.
How old are you?
17.
You sure?
Nope.
What year is it?
The year after last year.
And what year is that?
2004.
What are you trying to fix? Which one? This one?
Yeah, because this one's got a blown head gasket.
Oh, good, huh? Papaw gonna pay you for this?
Yeah, that's junk.
Huh?
That stuff right there.
Yeah. He's to pay you anyway. This is what Justin is fixing. Right there. That motor, all that junk. And this is what he's breaking. Said, what do you say? Hey, don't that fumes get you high? Them fumes would get me high.
That's why I'm in this business.
Oh, okay. Legal high?
Yeah.
Look at the inner of our house. Needs to be fixed.
No wonder people hate talking.
At her house. Well, you called my house. Amen.
What's she doing?